One thing that cannot overstate enough when you're doing firewood or chainsaw work of any kind is the importance of a sharp chain. And it's something that many people do not know how to do. It really affects safety and affects the efficiency of your cutting. Best advice I've ever had using a saw is make sure your chain is sharp. You'll know really quick if it's not. You go to cut into a chunk of wood and dip off into the side like that. Throw out tiny little sawdust flakes. You know really quick if it's not sharp. Some of the best sharpening I've ever seen is done by a guy here on YouTube. His name is Buckin' Billy Ray. He does a phenomenal job. Has a lot of videos on how to do sharpening, so you have a perfect cutting chain every time. He's got, I don't know, 20-25 years experience doing it, so a lot of wisdom there. Anyway, I like to do it so I'm maintaining the same angle on the tooth that's already there. Take it back until I get a nice little burr right on the point of the teeth. And one of these days I might show you a full-on sharpening video on how I do it, but for now, yeah, that's the process I go through. This chain is, well, it's never been sharpened before. It's brand new. Only used it once. Used it for a lot of health thinning and brush clearing, so it's gotten in close proximity to the ground. And it's rounded the corners a little bit, so just giving it a quick little touch up before I get started today. So yeah, about to process a little bit of firewood. We got a storm coming in, so I'm gonna make sure we have plenty. This year's been busy enough. I haven't really gone and gotten all our firewood split and stored for the year yet, so basically just doing a little bit here and there as I have time. See, that one's not bad, not good. That one's all buggered up. Bad corner, your saw won't cut, it just won't. Well, not well anyway. It's better. Anyway, just a little glimpse into some maintenance before you get going, and a little bit of rambling. I like to ramble, so every once in a while you'll get me going and I won't stop. What is he even saying? Quit talking and start working, start doing stuff.